my name's Jory, Jory Tate. We're from Idaho, Twin Falls. We live in the valley. We live in Bellevue now. We've been there 6 or 7 years. And this is our family. These are our kids, Shayla, Jordan, and Jada.
Yeah. And I am Kayla Tate, and I'm an Idaho girl as well. And I'm just super thankful to be here in this state. We love it.
Yes.
Yeah.
We purchased, you probably wouldn't even know what to say.
We purchased what I wanted, so if that's fair enough.
2016 Renegade Classic.
Yeah.
It's the white, all white. It's what we wanted. It's what she's been wanting for quite some time. We've been looking all around to find one, and we're just blessed to be able to come here and pick one up.
Yeah.
We've drove through Mountain Home quite a bit to get home, you know, to Ketchum, Sun Valley, Haley, that area. So we've always seen the coaches out here, and you always think, oh wow, those look amazing. Well, when we decided that we were actually gonna buy a coach, we started looking, do we want a Class A? Do we want a Class C? You know, what do we wanna do? And you get online and there's Chuck doing his videos on YouTube. And we watched I don't know how many videos, I can't say every video because there's probably hundreds, but we watched
a year's
hours
worth of
videos with the kids, not just Chuck, but others, but one stood out, and that was definitely here. It was local, and then everything IWS stood for was just amazing. It just felt right in our hearts. So we waited. I mean, this has been like a year process
of looking around like all the states, just looking around the US to try to find something that is gonna fit our family and just fit our needs and that kind of stuff. And
we waited.
Yeah, because we really wanted to buy here. Yeah.
Had one in again, because we did come earlier and there was nothing. It was like, oh no. But we're blessed with, it's been 2 weeks ago now we came, and there was one, we looked online, there was one in, and we got it done. So we've been working with John and Sam quite a bit, and I mean, we came in with a plan. We knew what we wanted. We were pretty focused, and to get somebody that jumped right on board with our focus, the customer service was amazing.
Yeah. Super happy with like the staff and just the environment here.
Genuine.
Yeah, it's real.
It was amazing experience for us, you know, when you're purchasing something as large as the coach and the financial piece of it, just to have that peace of mind and to be able to work through it with professionals was super amazing, you know. Yeah. And I will say, you know, for future, for everyone, that the online videos that Chuck does was a seller. I mean, even though it was local, you don't have buy-in, but after that, for some reason, he made you feel like you were part of it.
Yeah. Yeah, part of something. It's part of something fun. Yeah.
You know, you watch some other videos of other companies, other places. Even we've been to quite a few places, and they're just, to me, it's in the details, and IWS hits it. As far as even the little things, if you're traveling through that Chuck talks about, we'll wash the coach for you, you know, those type of things.
Big deal.
And just knowing every detail of the coach, it really stood out that I thought this is where we need to purchase it. This is where we want it to come from. So
yeah, for me, like, I just feel safe. Like, just, you guys have a family here. We're doing a family thing, obviously, and so safety is super important. And we just feel at home, comfortable, safe with the people here, and like safe traveling across, like, you know, wherever we're gonna end up and wherever we're gonna be, and on all of our adventures that we're gonna be on. Like, I just feel like no matter where we are, you guys are gonna take care of us. And that's a really big deal when you're traveling with your kids, you know? And so I think safety, I just feel like there's a heart connection, and no matter where we are, you guys will take care of us. And like all the cool towing options, you know, like maybe we'll, you know, have, you know, that available to us. Like if we ever needed to use it, you guys have so many services offered that just really provide like a level of safety that we could not find anywhere else. And I think for me, that is what was like really, oh no, I need peace of mind as a mom. And so that is what you guys gave me, you know, and so we're just super thankful for that. Deep breath.
Yeah, our family already knows.
Yeah.
They know exactly what we think of IWS and just how, I've said this prior, but just how blessed we were to be able to find a local company
Yeah.
with IWS. But yeah, we recommend it to anybody that we know that's looking for a coach or a trailer, just the trailers too.
Yeah.
Just anybody that needs to deal with that we've already talked to them. Our family, of course, knows, but our friends are hearing it too.
Yeah, and like we said, we waited to purchase until you guys got something in for us, and so I think that just says something in itself.
Yeah, because there was a lot of pressure to get something
We
done.
wanted it done.
And I said, we need to wait, and she
Yeah.
agreed, so.
Yeah.
And it was to come here.